very big welcome to my channel, Let's Talk Tech. My name's Lucas, and today I want to talk to you guys about possibly doing something different or a new channel. Catch you in a minute. Hello everyone, right then. I've got a little bit of a dilemma, so to speak. Now, I don't know whether to start up a brand new channel dedicated on just action cameras. Now, I have had a few people ask me to do a dedicated channel with Insta360 products. Now, the thing being is, I could do that if I wanted. At the moment, I've only got the X3. Now, with a dedicated action camera channel, I've got so much stuff. I need to do a review on the DJI Action 2, along with some filters. These wasn't cheap. I've got other bits and pieces for the DJI as well, along with these as well, as you can see, that one there as well. And moving on to the Insta360 range, selfie sticks, lens guards, battery, lens cap, sticky lenses, along with portable battery chargers, even down to lights and cases. So, as you can see, this is only a small handful that I can actually fit on my table because it's everywhere. Now, I've also got a very, very cheap action camera made by Apex. Now, it comes in its own waterproof case. Let me see. I need to do a review on this, to be honest, because this would suit everyone's pocket. Now, it's actually not a bad little camera at all. It's 4K. I don't think it's got any stabilization on it, but at the price it cost, you know, that is the way life is. Now, the question being, boys and girls, would you like me to start off a dedicated channel purely on action cameras all by itself, or would you like me to continue putting stuff up on Let's Talk Tech? Let me know in the comments below, would be really appreciated, and we'll see what can happen in the future. Thank you ever so much for watching. Catch you later. Bye to bye.